Alright, let's get started with the first tool we're using. It's called Swing High-Low Support and Resistance Indicator. This indicator is great because it automatically plots key levels on your chart where the price has turned in the past, helping you see where breakouts might happen. To add it to your chart on TradingView, here's what you do. First, look at the top of your screen and find the indicators button. Click on that and a search bar will pop up. Type in Swing High-Low Support and Resistance exactly as I said it. And you'll see it appears in the list. Click on it and it'll add the indicator to your chart. You should now see dotted lines showing up. These are your swing highs in red and swing lows in green, making potential resistance and support zones. Now, we need to make a few adjustments to this indicator to make sure it's set up just right for our strategy. Click the gear icon next to the indicator's name on TradingView. That's the settings button. A window will pop up and you'll see a tab called Inputs. In that section, find Swing High Strength and set it to 410. Then find Swing Low Strength and set it to 410 as well. This tells the indicator to look at 14 bars on either side to identify significant swing points. Next, make sure Swing High Source is set to high and Swing Low Source is set to low. This ensures it uses the highest highs and lowest lows to plot those levels accurately. After that, there's no need to do any adjustments in the style section. Okay, you're just left with the dotted lines for support and resistance. Once you've done that, click OK to save your changes. Your chart should now show clear swing highs in red and swing lows in green. Ready for the next step. Now, to have an accurate trading strategy, we can't rely on just one indicator. That's why we're bringing in a second tool called the Squeeze Momentum Indicator. This indicator is awesome because it helps us see when the market is building up momentum for a big move, so we can confirm our breakout have the power to keep going. Let's add it to your chart on TradingView. Go back to the indicator section again. Then in the search bar, type in a Squeeze Momentum Indicator. And when it shows up in the list, click on it to add it to your chart. You'll see it appears below your price chart as a histogram with some dots and line. Just like with the first indicator, we need to make some adjustments to get it set up properly. Click the gear icon next to the Squeeze Momentum Indicator's name to open its settings. In the input section, find BB length and set it to 20. This controls how many bars it uses to calculate Bollinger Band. Then set BB multi-factor to 2 to adjust the bandwidth. Next, find KC length and set it to 145. That's the look back period for the Keltner channel. Set the KC multi-factor to 1.5 to adjust the channel width. And make sure the box label use True Range KC is checked so it uses True Range for better accuracy. Now switch to the Style tab. For the histogram bar, set color 0 to green. That's for a strong bullish momentum above the 0 line. Then set color 1 to white for fading bullish momentum. Color 2 to red for a strong bearish momentum below the 0 line. And color 3 to white for fading bearish momentum. Now disable the second plot option. Okay, now the squeeze momentum indicator should show green bars for bullish momentum and red bars for bearish momentum, just like in this example. Now that the chart is set up, we need some clear rules to make money trading with this strategy. Let's start with the rules for a buy trade. First, you're looking for a price to break above a red resistance line. That's a swing high from the swing high low support and resistance indicator. Next, we want to see green bars on a squeeze momentum indicator rising above zero line to confirm there's bullish momentum behind the move. When you get that breakout, enter your trade. At the close of the breakout candle, for your stop loss, place it just below the recent swing low. Then for your take profit, aim for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. So, if your stop loss is $5 below your entry, your take profit should be $10 above it. For sell trade, it's opposite. Look for price to break below a green support line. That's swing low from the indicator. To confirm bearish momentum, you want to see red bars on a squeeze momentum indicator dropping below zero line to confirm bearish momentum. But as you see in this example, the squeeze momentum indicator is white. That means we should not enter any trades cause there's not enough momentum in the market to move the price. But check out the next example. This time, the price again breaks below a support line, with red bars on the squeeze momentum indicator confirming bearish momentum. You enter at the close price of the breakout candle. Set your stop loss above the recent swing high and target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. This trade worked out beautifully, hinting the take profit for a profit. So if you found this video helpful,